Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of a brand new ringed planner that I ordered on Amazon. Now I got an Amazon gift card for my birthday. September is my birthday month. So I got an Amazon gift card and I decided to go ahead and order a ringed planner that I had been kind of looking at and considering for a while now. And it's not a very expensive planner, and you can see it's got this really cool Nifty packaging here. So I'm going to try and not get too much of the glare, but it is called the LUX Pro Productivity Planner Organizer, and I got it in the turquoise color. Now I want to say, if I remember correctly, I think this was about $26, somewhere in that range. But I was actually quite surprised at the packaging of this. You know, it's a sealed box, and it is an A5 sized ring planner, and it's, from what I read on Amazon, it's like a whole system of, I guess, planning, productivity planning. So let's go ahead and open it together and see all the details up close. And I actually got this in like less than 24 hours. I was really surprised that Amazon delivered this so quickly. I ordered it Sunday afternoon, and then I got it Monday, I want to say Monday late morning sometime. It was crazy. But anyway, so you can see the box has this really nice, interesting design. I guess that's their logo there, the little light bulb. Wow. Okay, this is actually even a lot nicer than what I expected. I'm happily pleased with the packaging for this. So you get this really nice black box, comes with the little moisture thingies. But wow, this is really, really nice. And look, it comes with the inserts, and look at how, look at how big the inserts are. I hope that's focusing. Okay. So I think it's an undated planner, and I think they give you, inserts for the whole year. I'm not sure, but you can see here on the back it says LUX Productivity. And like I said, I have been feeling like I want to move back into a ringed planner. Okay. Now, right off the bat, like I said, I'm very impressed with the quality. Okay, I'm not going to lie about that. This is way better than what I was expecting, especially for a non-leather planner. The rings are a really nice size. I'm not sure what the measurement is, but I will definitely link this down below in case you're interested. And it does come with a today ruler. And then you've got the rings. It's got a zip pocket here. Perfect for stickers. You have these little side pocket slots here for business cards, credit cards, whatever. And then you have this back pocket here and here, perfect for a notepad. And then you also have an elasticized elastic pen loop. And then it has this cute little light bulb logo there. Now the texture of it, you know, it's obviously a faux leather, but it doesn't, you know, really feel, it doesn't feel cheap at all. Like I said, I'm very impressed with the quality. Now, the one thing that is bugging me is that it doesn't lay flat, but I'm thinking that as you use the planner, you know, once you get the inserts in and you start, uh-oh. Okay, sorry guys. My dog started barking. There's some guys doing some work outside, so obviously she had to go wild. Anyway, so these are the inserts here. Now, I'm not even sure how this whole system works. So it looks like you get 2 sets or 2 packs of inserts here. This says, please don't keep it to yourself. We're a small family-run business. It's like I want to open these, but then I don't want to open them because I'm a little nervous about keeping everything in order, but I do want to show you guys the inserts. Okay. So let's just take a look at these here. So it has exclusive offers. Oh, and then you have a whole instruction section. Now the paper does feel a little thin, but you know, considering the price of the planner, I can deal with it. So it does have a detailed instruction section that tells you how to use the planner and how these inserts are designed. So you get looks like you get a daily, you get reflection. Let me see, I probably should start at the beginning. Okay, you get goals, daily planner, reflection, month at a glance, savings, project planning, notes, ideas, and checklists. And then you have long-term goals here. 2019 calendar, 2020 calendar, 2021 calendar. Oh, and 2022, and then you have your month at a glance. Wow, this is so nice, you guys. I'm actually very, very impressed. Okay, so that's the monthly. And then this is what the daily pages look like. And then I like that on the back you get a full sheet, a blank sheet of, you know, dot grid. Then you get a reflection on the last week. So I guess that's in between each week. Okay, so this is just dailies. See, I'm guessing this must be for the whole year, because this is a lot of pages. Okay, so, and then these are just blank dot grid note pages that you get here. And then this part is storyboard. So I'm guessing this is another part of the planning system. Now, like I said, I haven't read all this, so I don't know exactly how you're supposed to use this. I just wanted to kind of open it and show you guys so you can see everything that you get. Now, I do see that you do not get any type of dividers with this, and that's okay because I have plenty of stuff I can use. But if you are, you know, starting from scratch with a ringed planner, you're obviously going to need that. You're going to need probably some dividers, and then you're probably going to need like a page lifter for the back part here to protect your pages. But I'm really impressed with this. Like I said, especially for the price. So let me share the information. LUX Productivity. So I'm not sure. Now, I ordered this on Amazon, but you can see they obviously have a website. So if you're interested, and they also have all these different types of inserts as well. All right, so once I get this all set up and I, actually start using it and learn how to use the inserts, in the correct way as they were intended, I will do an update video and show you guys, how I'm using it, how I'm liking it, how functional it is for me. Nice tight rings, and the rings look pretty big, which I'm very impressed with. I cannot wait to set this up and start using it. All right, if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop those down in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.